All right, let's take you through how you can withdraw your returns daily, weekly, or monthly. It's completely up to you, but we highly recommend that you do it on a weekly basis. So you would simply open up and log into your platform, which will look like this. Click on your investment package. As soon as your investment package has loaded, scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see your rewards coming in here. So what you would simply do is click on the transfer button. You need to leave at least $1 in that account. So if you tick 36 and you try and withdraw, it will say you need to take it a little bit less. So make it. Leave $1 there and click on withdraw. You'll see here in the top corner, it says your withdrawal request has been sent. Now, simply go to your dashboard. Obviously, our account has already been set up here with a wallet address. If you would like to change the wallet or if there's no wallet address, simply copy your Bitcoin address where you would like the money to be sent to. Simply click here. You can then paste your wallet address here and click on submit. It will then take up your Bitcoin wallet address, and by simply clicking withdraw, again, you cannot make that full amount. It will say to you need to have one a little bit less, so you can go all the way to 195 and you can click on withdraw. The moment that you click on withdraw, the withdrawal will come to your last wallet activities, and as soon as it has been deposited into your exchange account or your Bitcoin wallet, the system will give you an approved sign to say your money is in your wallet. Go and check your balance there. And that is how simple it is to withdraw from Gleen Trust every single day. Remember, at least once a week, and how to bring your money back to your wallet in your either exchange or your Bitcoin wallet.